On today's episode, we're making one pan sausage and rice bake. First thing we're going to do is heat up some oil inside our non-stick pan, and then we're going to add in our sausages that have been removed from their casings. We're going to cook those until they're nice and brown. We're going to break it up as they're cooking so we can make small little pieces, and then we're going to add our cumin, paprika and salt and get that stirred in and nice and fragrant. So once the spices are fragrant, we're going to add our onion and we're going to cook that until it's translucent. Then we're going to add our garlic, so we're going to cook our garlic until it's nice and fragrant. As always, ingredients are down in the description, so if you want to make this recipe, go ahead and grab the ingredients down there. Then we're going to add our capsicum and we're going to give that a good mix before we go ahead and add our tomatoes, so our chopped tomatoes or our diced tomatoes. This is a really easy one-pot meal, so you can get it done in about 15 or 20 minutes. Here we are adding our tomatoes. Now I just had some in the freezer that I'm going to use up, but you can use fresh chopped tomatoes if you like, or you can use canned diced tomatoes, whichever you have on hand. So here we're adding our rice. So we're going to go ahead and add our Basmati rice, give that a quick mix, and then we're going to add our last ingredient, which is our stock. So here I'm adding my stock. I'm actually using vegetable stock. I actually prefer making this dish with beef stock. I think it gives it a lot more flavor, but you do you put in with whichever stock you like the most or whichever you have on hand. Then we're going to cover this after we've gotten it to the boil, lowered our heat to low, and we're going to cook it for about 12 minutes, just until that rice is nice and cooked through, and then we're going to serve it up. I hope you like this. I hope you make it. It's a really cheap, easy and quick weeknight meal. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.